If you're interested in moving to St. Johns County, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to assist you with your home search. My name is Charlie Flores and I'm a realtor with Exit One Stop Realty. Thank you for watching. Mill Creek Forest is a gated community by Toll Brothers located in St. Johns, Florida. This community will feature approximately 305 homes and offers home sites that back up to natural preserve and lakes. Toll Brothers offers two collections of single-family homes called Meadows and Magnolia. The Meadows collection features single and two-story homes on 53-foot lots, and home size range from approximately 1,918 up to 2,491 square feet. The Magnolia collection features single and two-story homes with a 3-car garage on 63-foot lots, and home size range from approximately 2,670 to 3,440 square feet. Amenities at Mill Creek Forest will include a clubhouse, fitness center, and a playground. Decorated models include the Robin with farmhouse elevation and the Ella with a craftsman elevation. The nearest public grocery store is about a 4-minute drive, about a 9-minute drive to State Road 9B, and about a 13-minute drive to the Pavilion at Durbin Park, where there are shops and restaurants. Remember to hit the bell icon for updates on my latest videos. This is Charlie Flores with Exit One Stop Realty. I hope you've enjoyed the video.